morning everyone. I'm Emmanuel J. Mosquito and today I will discuss discrete mathematics for IT. Discrete mathematics for IT. Overview of discrete mathematics. Discrete mathematics focuses on distinct values, not continuous. It is essential in IT fields like programming, data structures, databases, and algorithms. Cover sets, logic, function, and relations. In short, discrete mathematics provide the mathematical foundation needed to design and understand many systems in computer science and IT. Introduction to sets. A set is a well-defined group of distinct elements, example numbers and letters, represented using curly braces. Examples: A equals curly braces 1 to 3 curly braces. B equals apple, banana, orange, curly braces. Sets are a basic concept in mathematics and are useful in organizing and grouping objects. Union combines all elements from both sets, A and B. Duplicates are not repeated. Example: A equals curly braces 1 to 3, B equals curly braces 3 4 5, A cap B equals 1 2 3 4 5. And so, let's talk about intersection. Intersection elements that are common to both set and B. Example: curly braces 1 and 2 and 3, cap, curly braces 3 and 4 and 5 equals curly braces 3. And the another is complement. Complement all the elements in the universal set that are not in set E. Example: U equals curly braces 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 equals E curly braces 2 and 4 in E equals curly braces 1 and 3 and 5. After that, let's talk about the cardinality. In mathematics, cardinality refers to the number of elements in a set. It essentially tells you how many items are present in a particular collection. For finite sets, the cardinality is simply a whole numbers corresponding to the count of elements. For infinite sets, the concept of cardinality becomes more complex and involves comparing the size of infinite sets. Example: E equals curly braces 2 and 4 and 6 in E equals 3. To illustrate relation between sets that show how sets relate to each other. Introduction to relations. A relation is a set of ordered pairs from two sets E times B. It describes how elements are connected. A relation tells us which elements are related between two sets using ordered pairs. Types of relations. Number 1, reflective relation. Every element is related to itself, so for every element E, the pair E and E must be in the relation. Number 2, symmetric. If E and B in E are, then B and E in E are. If one element is related to another, the reverse must also be true. Example: friendship. Number 3, transitive. If A and B in ER and B and C in ER, then E and C in ER. If A is related to B and B is related to C, then A must be related to C. Example: flight connections. Sample set analysis. E equals curly braces 1 and 2 and 3. R equals curly braces 1 and 2, 2 and 1, 1 and 1, 2 and 2. So it's reflective? Check. Symmetric? Yes. Transitive? Wrong. It's not transitive. So this is the real-world applications of sets. Students enrollment. Students form a set. E-commerce. Products form a set. Social media. Followers form a set. Set help organize and compare groups of data in real life, like students, products, or people. This is the real-world applications of relation. Friendship network. Users connected as friends. Employee manager. Shows reporting structure. Course prerequisites. Define subject requirements. A relation shows how things are people connected. It chooses pair to describe the link between the two elements. Relations help us map real-world connection like friendships, job roles, learning paths using pairs of related elements. Importance in computing. Sets and relations are basic tools used in many areas of computer science and IT. Number 1, databases. Sets equals tables, relations equals row. Set are like tables. Example, table of students. Each row is relations between a name and age. Graph theory. Nodes and edges model relationships. Example, used to model networks like social media. Number 3, algorithms. Efficient search and optimization. Example, findings the shortest route in Google Maps. Number 4, data analysis, grouping and discovering patterns. Example, data is grouped using sets. Number 5, machine learning, understanding relationships between variables. Example, relation between study hours and test scores. Set and relation are foundations of computing used in databases, networks, and algorithms. And this is the conclusion of my reports. Sets and relations are core tools in computer science and mathematics. They help in organizing and analyzing data, designing algorithms, and building systems, making them essential in many areas of computing.